Welcome to the world of bug bounty automation and hunting. Step 1. Get to grips with bug bounty basics. Learn the ropes of these programs and their vital role in cybersecurity. Explore platforms and their guidelines. Step 2. Master reconnaissance techniques. Unearth potential targets and gather initial data. Discover the role of open-source intelligence in uncovering vulnerabilities. Step 3. Dive into vulnerability discovery. Identify weak spots in web applications, APIs, and digital systems. Understand common vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and cross-site request forgery. Step 4. Harness automation tools and scripts. Automate repetitive tasks and streamline the hunting process with scripting languages like Python. Step 5. Navigate bug bounty platforms like HackerOne, BugCrowd, and Synack. Learn to interpret briefs and prioritize targets. Step 6. Report vulnerabilities effectively. Write clear and concise reports providing detailed proof of concept. Step 7. Maximize your rewards and recognition. Negotiate with program owners and participate in challenges. Build your reputation as a skilled hunter. Step 8. Stay updated and keep learning. Follow the latest trends in bug bounty hunting and cybersecurity. Expand your skill set constantly. By following these steps, you'll be ready to embark on your bug bounty hunting journey, leveraging automation to uncover vulnerabilities more effectively.